It's time for another episode of the Verb of the Day with simple and easy Arabic.
Wear. Wear as an imperative masculine. البس. البس.
How do we conjugate the verb in the simple present?
أنا بلبس. أنت بتلبس. أنتي بتلبسي. أنتو بتلبسوا. نحنا منلبس. هو بيلبس. هي بتلبس. هنن بيلبسوا.
Let's see how we conjugate the verb in the simple past.
أنا لبست. أنت لبست. أنتي لبستي. أنتو لبستوا. نحنا لبسنا. هو لبس. هي لبست. هنن لبسوا.
Let's put them in sentences. Get dressed, or literally, go wear your clothes. I'm waiting for you.
روح البس ثيابك. أنا ناطرك.
I will dress and come immediately.
أنا رح ألبس وإجي فوراً.
What, you still didn't finish dressing?
شو؟ لسه ما خلصتوا لبس؟
Become a Patreon to get access to much more study material. Check it out now. Did you enjoy this video? You can support us by liking and subscribing. Thanks!